with a gaming video. I will bring back some old games on the channel. It's really one game and it's like two spin-offs that I've never covered. But the Battle Cats, remember that? Yeah, we're bringing it back, but we're using the spin-offs. I have barely played these games. I just replayed Cats like for the second time, so it's gonna be a relatively fresh experience. So let's just get into it. Pogo Cat, bonus. Oh, I wonder what other games they make. I actually want to check these out. Girls Cat, no, just no. Anyways, guys. Oh, yeah, I forgot. You can also get stuff in the Battle Cat app. So let's just start bouncing. Oh, and I locked the Saffron dude from the main game in here. Also, it's just boring side scroller right now. But also, wait, the music, it's not here. Wait, okay. Also, I need to comment on the background. Okay. Okay, let's just turn it down. Okay, so guys, okay, okay, guys, I generally have no idea what this game is. Okay. Also, I'm assuming it's coming before or after Battle Cats because it looks like all the bases are destroyed. I look in the background, and for some reason there's a floating sky island. I never really looked into the lore. I need to start doing lore videos. No, I already got enough stuff right now. It will just be its own main YouTube show too. But anyways, guys, I also want to tell you something. I'm not going to be posting animation videos for a while because episode 2 is taking longer than I thought. Even though I've been sending out all those links to you guys, I just can't finish it right now. So just be mindful that for most of the videos, like after summer or just right now in this period of summer, it's gonna be mostly reaction and gaming based. Also, I need to get back in the swing of gaming videos because wow. I haven't played. Oh my gosh. I forgot Liam Craft Reloaded. Okay, nice. It's a new record. But Liam Craft Reloaded. Oh my gosh. I forgot. I just totally forgot about Liam Craft Reloaded. Guess I have to do that too now. I'm just realizing how many unfinished series are on the channel. I need to make the playlist like that. And I need to write that down. But anyways, we're bouncing along. Also, wait, birds canonically exist in this universe? What? Well, I mean, okay, fair enough, there's like an Easter cat or something. I forgot. I genuinely forgot. Yeah, but also Easter cat. Easter cat. Like, since birds canonically exist, do pelicans exist? Do penguins exist? Is there a penguin? Oh yeah, right. Forgot about the penguins. But it's just kind of weird, because in this world versus dog fight, you got the penguins, you got the rhinos, you got the hippos. I mean, what's their beef? What's their beef here? I can understand dogs versus cats. Like, they just generally have different auras. But, what the heck? Just, I don't know, just, why are they here? Like, why are there normal birds and then evil penguins? In this universe, are they canonically not that related? Because, I don't know. But then again, this could be canonically coming after. Listen, I don't read the opening text. Because, no way. I'm not interested. For once, I'm not interested in lore. I'm kind of sometimes interested in lore in a game, but not this one. I just like with FNAF, like, okay, maybe, but this is a goofy game about cats and humanoid cats for some reason, like anime people, and some. Okay. Also, some cute anime crossover things happened, so they might exist in this universe. What are the little stick humans? Like, were they drawn and then by the humans, and then they just went rogue, or what? Also, what's happening with the whole dark thing stuff? Like, I have no idea what's happening in this story, and I'm all here for it. Because, listen guys, I'm gonna have to tell you, I genuinely don't know what's in the Battlecast story. And also, why are we hopping? Why are we doing lanterns? And why is this music playing? And why are we in the hills? Okay, let me just talk about the other game a little bit. Why are they burgling? In this and the other game, we don't get any explanation. Like, what? The cats are betraying any of our cats? I mean, got those dark cats, I guess, like shadow cat. I don't remember what they're called, but they got them, you know. So what? Are they shapeshifters? What's happening? Man, I should really read that inscription at the beginning of the game if you want to know more. And I should actually try and beat that game. Even though, oh my, I just got to the cosmic. Level, and no way, just no. I'm sorry, but no. Also, say, this is actually nice. I actually like this gift. What the what? Why is there a palace? Why is there a palace in the background? See that? There's a palace in the... Okay, what? Like, are those sky levels connected here? I'm confused. Are the sky levels connected? Because they look like they're in the clouds, not there. What the... And it looks like the training ceremony from Dragon Ball Z. Is Dragon Ball Z involved with this? I mean, it's Japanese, I guess. I don't even know what's happening anymore. What is the lore? What is the lore? I need to solve this lore. Listen. I watched plenty of game theory, film theory, and food theory, and style theory. And wow, this is a ragtag team we got there. Yeah, but I just need some answers, man. Like, what? It's Pokemon canon? It's Pokemon canon? At this point, I'm asking that question because At this point, anything could be canon at this point because we don't know what's happening. I don't know the story. No one. I should probably search this on YouTube, see if anyone else has made Fury videos, because I need to figure out this lore, this tangled web of lore. Like, why are they stealing? Why are the pogos? Who are they running from? Who are they running from? The birds? Also, wait, the birds are in a different art style. I just see those birds. They look like they're drawn on a whiteboard. You know, I haven't gotten that far in the game. Maybe not. And also, why are there rubies here? Like, whatever gem this is, why are they here? We already got currency in the main game. Why are they here? And why are there fruits? Why are there gems? We just have so many questions and so little answers. And a log collected. Yeah, but okay, let's just try this. This is actually, wait, why are there fairy cats? Why are we collecting fairy cats? What's with the lanterns? Are they signaling us to that castle? So think about this. Did the castle destroy it? Are we lighting up these lanterns so Cat Society can rebuild after the wars with the dogs and the pigs and the hippos and literally everybody else who's against us for some reason? Because they're allies with the dogs, yet we don't have any allies except the humans? Like, what? And also, this is just about this one game. Mostly about this one game. I don't even, the burglar cats? The burglar cats. What the, why are they stealing? Why did you make a stealing game? Like, this has to mean something, because I know you're not a cash grab company. You won't sell your soul to merchandise. But why? Why are they so random? What? First you got a pogo jumping game. Like, what? Then you got battle cats here with the most random plot ever. Like, and then you pull out burglar cats and it's just, what do we need this? You see what? You see? Okay, I'm just gonna go to the burglar cats. But you see what I'm getting here? The lore is so complicated. Again, Fury videos. I need this. It's free to play video. Yeah. Oh wait, I forgot about this. Yeah, but, okay, so they're, oh, I forgot, they're stealing from the dogs. Alright, cool. So they just casually steal from the dogs? Okay, nice. So this is canonical, right? Is this all canonical? Okay, scholar glasses. I have no idea. Scholar glasses! And monks in the band. Okay, that's actually good. Ooh. Yeah, but also, notice error. Okay. The cat hunter? No. Okay, so, no. You see what I'm talking about here? Also, why are the cats looking like that? It's weird. so weird. I barely. I have no idea what's happening right now. I have no idea. Again, guys, this is what I'm talking about. This game is so weird. So let's just collect something from the mission. Let's collect something from the mission. And security? What? Okay, to be brief, I have generally no idea how to play this. Again, like, Liam Cat Burglars. I have no idea what's happening. I totally forgot how to play this game. I'm sorry if... Okay, cat hunter, bear hunt, whatever. So, okay, I'm assuming that, how you speak it? Okay, go to burgle battle, burgle battle. Nice. So we're just trying to go into prison. Okay, so we're just trying to... Okay, so we're putting you right there. Since we know the other room is compact and nice. So no. Down. Get out, Overcat. Okay, so there's just machines here. Nice. Where? Miss Grandma, just run! Get me out of here. Okay, so he got caught. Nice. Just nice. He's down and out. Maybe we can talk to Misty Cat here. Mystical Cat. Like 7-Eye dude. Screw him. Run. Just run. I don't care. I don't know. Okay. Okay. No. Just run. Oh no! Got caught. Okay. So what? Okay, so now we know that all of this. Okay, so let's just put him here because we know certain death is. What the? Nope, we ain't going up there. Okay, so skill. Okay, so nice. Are you kidding me? They can... Wait, don't we still have cats left? What? So, oh man. Our burger points went down. I have no idea what that, Porlo... Okay, let's just, what the? The what? That's good. Okay, so the game just crashed on me. So let's just try and burger bagel. And also we just need... Drops me. Okay, so just gotta skill. Let's let's go. Axel, too. Let's get out of here, man. Get out of here. Okay, so one of us is home. Nice. Are you kidding me? Come on, get through the other side. Don't wanna be there. Come on. Come on. What? No. Okay. Honey. What? Sweet. What's this going? Okay, so those two guards are on patrol. For sure. Okay, so like 4 is basically a death trap. So let's do the 3rd floor because that's one of the places the most. No. Okay, nice. So they already got a bunch of cats. Come on. No, leave and leave. Come on, and there you go. Come on. Okay, so we got our skill ready. I have no idea what his skill is, but also, choose. Nice. This mission should be a all girl. Hey, just one guy. Just one guy. That's really nice. Come on, we're scaring the walls. No. Okay, so nice. Great. Amazing. Now we gotta... Okay, so... What? Okay, so... Little cat. That's it. Oh, man. One person. So what? What do you want me to do? You already destroyed all the... Oh my god. Our burger party. So, burger battle. Okay, so we're trying to open those doors. Okay, nice, good to know. And also, Mr. Cat is there. We can steal some of his orbs. Okay, so nice. Yeah, get all of his orbs. So. Okay, so just nice. So we need a door. Door. Come on. Okay, so there's no door. Great. So there's no door. Okay, so we got some loot. That's the truth. Nope. Caught! What the? What am I supposed to do? What the? Who guy. Just that guy. I'm just tired of him. Jesse, you're ruining all our plans. Actually, my name is Shirley. No one asks you. Alright, just gosh. I just Nope. Okay, so we got all the money, jewels. All right, cool. And we gotta run. What are we doing? What am I doing? And ding and ding. Okay. Oh, where are they? What do you mean? Interlock it? Okay, nice. How does this help us? How does this thing help us? See? Oh man. Okay, so this is actually a nice strategy game, but I want to talk about it a little again. So they just canonically have this. Is this fighter against us? Is this one against us? Okay, so nice. Treasure! Oh my gosh. The whole prison. Okay, so that's the end of the game. Okay, so no. Okay, so nice. So one of them is actually filled with money. And oh my gosh, no. So wait, let me see how this. Okay, we're gonna do one more burger battle, and actually no, I'm just gonna feed some of my cats. So we're just gonna, cause we just do that. Oh man. Yes, right there. Okay, come on. Yeah, burgers. So the factory. Come on, guys. Come on, little guys. Take the food. Take the food. Okay, so I'm just gonna wrap on wraps. I forgot this was a thing, or didn't know this was a thing. Super rare? What? Gordon? Okay, how do I have such luck? Okay, so it didn't get an uber rare, but it got a super rare. Weird. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna have to cut it short, and this is it for the video today. Bye bye.